Hey, welcome to Archmaster. This is an AI application focused on the design field. If you are a designer, you definitely cannot miss it. Welcome to visit Archmaster's official website to use it. We have started creating Archmaster video tutorials and will continue to update them on YouTube. Friends interested in Archmaster must subscribe to our channel. This episode will explain how to use detail generation to enhance image details. Okay, let's begin. In our design work, we often need to find beautiful pictures as materials. What if we spend a great deal of effort to find a satisfactory picture, but the picture quality is poor, with blurry images and missing details? To address this situation, Archmaster has already thought of you. We have developed an AI tool for enhancing image details, detail generation. The function of detail generation is to make images look richer, more complete, and more high definition in terms of visual perception, especially in areas where content is missing, blurred, low resolution, or requires artistic enhancement. It is important to note that detail generation does not increase the image resolution in terms of pixels. Instead, it generates details that did not originally exist by leveraging the Archmaster AI model's understanding of the image's semantic content. Next, let's see how to use it. First, select AI tool at the top of the page. Then find the detail generation icon and click to enter. On this page, we can see versions v1.0 and v2.0. The latest version is v2.0, which is more advanced in detail generation compared to v1.0. Therefore, we will use v2.0 as the case for subsequent operations. Choose the appropriate type of renderings based on the type of image you upload. Here, we select architectural design. If you only want to perform detail generation on a specific part of the image, you can turn on the local enhancement switch. A new dialog box will pop up. Use the tools we provide to select the area in the image that you want to enhance with detail generation. After completing the operation, click Immediate Use. In the Degree of Change section, you can control the extent of modifications to the base image. To better match the base image, we select Low here. In Texture Map, you can add elements based on the base image, such as adding 2 trees in this case. Once everything is ready, click Generate. After a short wait, the new image will be generated. You can see that the originally blurry image has now been transformed into a detailed and clear image. Everyone can try it out for themselves. If you have any questions, feel free to leave comments in the comment section and I will reply to each one. That's all for this episode. Friends interested in Archmaster must subscribe to our channel. I will also place the Archmaster website link at the top of the comments section for everyone's convenience. See you next time.